In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how we built an AI agent that creates, analyzes, and iteratively improves creatives for Google and Meta ads. The system combines GPT-4 Vision for intelligent feedback and GPT Image 1 for precise image generation, image editing, creating a closed-looped improvement cycle that transforms concepts into marketing assets ready to be published on Facebook. Here is why the underlying paradigm is so interesting. AI images are good right out of the box, but when you add an iterative improvement cycle on them for any use case, they become exponentially better. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. Look at these results. The left is what you get right out of the box, and the right one is what you get after our automated improvement process. Back in May of 2024, which is over a year ago, we attempted to build this exact system with GPT-4 Vision, still the same thing back then. But instead of using the recently launched GPT image, we used Stable Diffusion. And the concept was sound, but the technology wasn't just there yet back then. Stable Diffusion completely regenerated the image every single time, leading to inconsistent results, and the feedback loop between GPT-4 and the image generator was loose and imprecise. And each generation just changed the image completely. So the concept was sound, but it didn't really work well back then. I'm Rohan Sawant. I run Ionio. We are an AI consulting company, and over the last 4 years, we have helped dozens and dozens of companies with their AI projects. You can see our case studies, testimonials, sample code, everything on our site, on our GitHub, and on everywhere. So yeah, we are really great at what we do. If you need help with AI, please drop me a message. And here's how the system works. Step one, intelligent concept generation. The system begins by translating marketing objectives into structured visual concepts. And we use GPT-4o for this. So we take the brand information, the identity, products, USPs, the target audience, demographics, psychographics, behaviors, all of that, and marketing goals. Then we generate a comprehensive ad blueprint, including the headlines, copy, call to action, and a detailed visual style, visual instructions. What this essentially is prompt generation. So we generate this prompt and then we move on to step two. Step two is the initial image creation. GPT Image 1 transforms the conceptual blueprint into a visual concept. It takes the instructions and it creates the first version of the creative. And this first version establishes the basic composition and the layout, the initial color palette, the product placement, and the background elements and the text positioning. And you can see that from this image. Step three is the AI powered visual analysis. In this step, GPT-4 Vision analyzes the generated image through multiple lenses. We evaluate the visual hierarchy, the balance, the focal points, we assess the lighting, contrast, color harmony, clarity, everything that makes a Facebook creative work, not only on the technical level, but also from the marketing side. Judging how attention grabbing the call to action is, and ensuring that the image works for the intended use case, social media, web, or print. After the analysis, the system generates specific, actionable feedback rather than vague suggestions. For example, in this image, instead of just saying improve the lighting, it might specify something like add rim lighting to the product at a 45-degree angle to create depth and luxury feel. Step 4, GPT Image 1 receives the detailed feedback and applies the targeted modifications. And unlike Stable Diffusion's image generation, which generated a fresh image every time, in this case, the edits are applied surgically, adjusting specific color values only in the designated places, modifying lighting without changing the composition, enhancing the text legibility, and adding or removing elements in the image. And that's one cycle of iteration. And after this, we keep doing this again and again. Step one, two, three, and four. We just keep iterating over them for as many iterations as you might like. In practice, here are some results of the entire process. So yeah, I think I'm looking forward to making the same video next year with even better creatives. So yeah, that's that. I'm Rohan Sawant. I run Ionio, and yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, or better, hire us.